The EAS Community Discord server is now back in business. All EAS community members who uses Discord are welcome to join. Please stand by for a message from the Deputy Commissioner of REMCC.
And what you heard from Tom is all true. The EAS Fund Discord server is now back in business, and everyone that is part of the EAS community, whether it's Grass, REMCC, Suisse, or any other EAS community Discords, are welcome to join. There will be a Discord link that will not expire at all in the description below. Make sure to click that link if you want to join. Click the link down below and you can join. Thank you and have a good day.